So in this example, I'm going to explain that how you could create the directory as well using the file object or the file class. So for that, I have to pass the path where I want to create or you want to create the directory. Let's say I want to create the directory here. Let me escape it. So I will. So there are two ways of using the file path. Either you could escape with a double quote, or simply you could use the backslash. Both are fine. It's up to you what you want to use. So now I want to create a new directory. Let's say new dir and saving it, right? And if I want to create multiple directory, I could also create the multiple directory. Let's say new dir2 slash new dir3. That is also possible. So I'm just creating it. Let me compile this. Java C create directory java create directory example. So it is simply define the main method as the static public static. Okay, here I have written the method only. Let me create the object. Sorry, the main method public static void main string args. Let me call this complete logic inside this, right? So I could compile it now. When I'm running, directory is created. So the first is the new directory, second is the new directory 2, and the new directory 3 with the 2 levels. So if I go there, new directory, and there should be a new directory 2 with the 2 levels. So there is that Java programming new directory 2 files exist. Okay, I need to pass this. So let me compile it. Multiple directories are created. So if you could see new directory 2 and new directory 3. And if I want, if directory exists, then I could create the file inside that as well. So last example that we were using, like to create the file. So what I could call, I could do is like I could call this method. If does not exist, then create the file. If exist, that means else create the file. If directory exists, then create this file. So I will just simply put this logic inside this block, or I could create the method as well. To save the time, I'm just writing this. So I will pass the complete path. Now, yeah, it is correct. Let me compile this. Okay, there is error, interface expected. I think this one is extra. IU exception. I need to call the exception as well. So if I will compile this, now again it is okay, file is already there. So I could use the same file object as well, that is also possible, but I don't want to do that for now at least. 5 2 file2, file2. This should be fine. Java create file is there. So if I will go inside that directory, let's say new, see this file is created. So this is how you could create the directory, and you could create the file inside that directory, and you could create multiple directory as well, and you could create the file inside that directory. So all these possible cases are there.